All right, so this that is starting to get cross-linking damage. It's starting to fall apart, and I'll show you here in a second. If I rub my finger on it, you can see that the gook comes off of it, right? So I bought this off of Amazon, and just want to make sure it's going to fit. You know what I mean? So it's got to go around like that. So that looks like it's going to work good. I just got to get this one off of there. So I'm going to need like a screwdriver, I think. And the thing is we don't want to break it just in case this one doesn't work well when we put it on. So we want to just kind of, we're going to keep it. We're just making sure that it's the same. Yep. So I think we're good, right? So we just got to get it on there. So I'm just going to go around like that and just pop it on. And that should do it right there. I mean, looks like it's the exact same. And now all we got to do is put it back together on our filter. There we go. Okay, so I do have some lube. This is like a special lubricant that you can put on your thing. So I'm going to squirt some in my finger like that, and we're going to put it on here just to make sure. Right here, right? Just go around like that. And hopefully this will work. We'll know once we put it on. If it doesn't work, I mean, this one looks like it's the exact same size. But if not, then we got to put this one back on. So we want to save that one. All right, I think we're good. Gloves for now, right? And we'll put this on. Nope. So we got her on there. This right here is like a release valve. Lets the air out. We've got this on nice and tight, filled it with water. Now we just got to turn this on. I'm just going to turn it right on. Now, we'll know right away, I hope. So what we're looking to see if we get any leak right there at that seal. All right, you can see the water's coming in. See the water there. It's pulling in. It's totally filling up. So now it has to fill this whole thing up. That takes a while. You can see all the air coming out of it. And then if you feel over here, you can feel the air. Still filling up. Don't see any leaks coming out of it. Taking a while. There it is. Those are off. And now let's look around. So this is water dripping from here. But so we want to look here, see if we're getting anything. And I think we're good. We'll give it about 10 minutes worth of filtering. We'll come back and check it.